Hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. In this video we are talking about skin allergies and various types of skin allergies. Let's get started. The rainy days not only bring happiness to you but also those flies that can cause various types of skin allergies. The oppressive heat of the summer is about to give way to the rainy seasons. The weather has changed to humid and sweaty, thus we need to take special care of our skin during rains to avoid allergies and infections. Both environmental and man-made factors can be held responsible for this increase in the cases of skin allergy in the rainy season. Environmental allergens include molds, pollens, dander, flowers, and insects. And man-made allergens include dust mites, pet dander, pollutants in the air, and more. In modern times, the rains that fall on the earth are not as pure as it used to be. It is mixed with pollutants from the air and brings in a lot of cases of infections and allergies. Children are more susceptible to these than the adults are. Common skin problems in monsoons include bullous impetigo, fungal infections in skin and hair, folliculitis, and allergies. Such problems can cause rashes, redness, itchiness on the skin, and other skin-related problems. That's it for this video. In the next videos, we are shows types of skin allergies. Thanks for watching.